SHOPLINE POS is a versatile point-of-sale app that can be used on various operating systems, including Android, iOS, and Windows. This guide focuses on installing and setting up SHOPLINE POS on Android devices. Downloading and installing SHOPLINE POS. Connecting SHOPLINE POS to hardware. Before downloading and installing SHOPLINE POS on your devices, ensure you have completed the preparations in your SHOPLINE admin panel, including installing and subscribing to a POS plan, setting up your store, adding staff, and listing products, so that you can enjoy a smooth experience once you've logged into the POS app on your devices. For detailed instructions, see our Install and Start SHOPLINE POS video tutorial. Downloading and installing SHOPLINE POS. On your Android device, open other third-party app stores or the Google Play Store. Then search for and install SHOPLINE POS 2.0 onto your device. After installation, launch the SHOPLINE POS app and log in with any authorized staff account. Connecting SHOPLINE POS to hardware. Depending on your business needs and equipment capabilities, you may choose to connect additional hardware to enhance your store operations. The specific connection methods vary depending on the hardware model. For detailed instructions, it's recommended to contact your hardware provider for assistance. Connecting barcode scanners. Barcode scanners streamline the process of data entry. If your barcode scanner supports Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth on both the scanner and your device. Locate the scanner's Bluetooth name on your device and pair them. If your barcode scanner uses a USB connection, connect it to your Android device using a USB cable. Once connected, you can use the barcode scanner to quickly add products to cart, apply discounts, and manage customer memberships by scanning barcodes. SHOPLINE POS supports various barcode scanner models. For a list of compatible models, go to SHOPLINE Help Center and search for barcode scanners for POS. Connecting receipt printers. Physical receipts are often required for offline sales. To print receipts, you'll need a compatible receipt printer. Go to the SHOPLINE POS app Settings, Hardware Management, and select the appropriate connection method and model for your receipt printer to complete connection. SHOPLINE POS supports various connection methods, including USB, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. If you choose USB connection, connect the receipt printer to your device using a USB cable. If you choose Bluetooth connection, enable Bluetooth on both the receipt printer and your device. Locate the printer's Bluetooth name and pair it with your device. If you choose Wi-Fi connection, ensure both the receipt printer and your device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. SHOPLINE POS supports various receipt printer models. For a list of compatible models, go to SHOPLINE Help Center and search for receipt printers for POS. Connecting cash drawers. If you accept cash payments, a secure cash drawer is essential. If your cash drawer uses a USB connection, connect it to your Android device using a USB cable. If your cash drawer supports Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth on both the drawer and your device. Locate the drawer's Bluetooth name on your device and pair them. Once connected, you can use the cash drawer to securely manage cash transactions in your store. SHOPLINE POS supports various cash drawer models. For a list of compatible models, go to SHOPLINE Help Center and search for cash drawers for POS. Connecting card readers. To accept credit card payments, you'll need to apply for a card reader from a payment service provider. Here, we will use SHOPLINE Payments as an example. From your SHOPLINE admin panel, go to POS, Settings, Payments, and apply to activate SHOPLINE Payments and obtain a card reader. For detailed instructions on applying for SHOPLINE Payments, go to SHOPLINE Help Center and search for SHOPLINE POS Payments Terminal. Once you have your card reader, check the card reader and insert a receipt roll. Then connect the card reader to your network. Once connected, test the payment platform and device connection within the card reader. If the tests are successful, you can start accepting card payments. After completing the setup, you are ready to launch SHOPLINE POS and start operating your retail store. For detailed instructions, see our SHOPLINE POS video tutorial.